These are your Unit 2A, Day 5 in class notes. We are going to practice multiplying and dividing with attached variables. First, if we look here, we have 3 times 5x. Okay? Remember, when we see parentheses, that means that you multiply. So here we have 2 times the quantity, x plus 6. We have 2 next to parentheses, that means you multiply. Last, we have 3x. Anytime you have a number next to a variable, that means to multiply. So if I go down here, we're going to multiply each term on the outside of the parentheses by the inside. So what does that mean? So 2 times 4 is 8. And the x is there, so we just bring that down. So 2 times 4x is 8. We have to leave the x because we don't know the value of x. Next, if we go here, we have negative 3 times 7x. Well, negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. And again, we don't know the value of x, so it needs to stay. So it's negative 21 times x, or negative 21x. Next, we have 5 times 10y. 5 times 10 is 50. So this would be 50y. Now you're going to do these ones on your own. Moving forward in the videos, I'm not going to show you the answers. That is how I'm going to know that you actually watched the video. So please do these on your own. On this page, we are going to continue to multiply terms on the outside of parentheses by the inside, and then we're going to take it a step farther and we're going to combine our like terms. So if we look here, we have negative 2 times 7x. Negative 2 times 7x is negative 14x. The 2 is only next to the 7x, and there is an addition sign separating these two terms. Remember, if we have an addition sign, that means we're at a new term. So this is negative 14x plus 8. This has a plain x, and 8 does not. So those are not considered like terms. Now that we look at this expression and we do not have any like terms, we leave it the way it is. Let's look at this next one. We have 5 times 4x. 5 times 4x is equal to 20x plus 6y plus 2x. Now that I've done that, I'm going to identify my like terms. I have a plain x here and a plain x here. Here I have a y, so it is not a like term. So my last step to simplify this type of expression is to combine my like terms. You can do it the way that we were doing in class, where we made columns and added and subtracted, or you can do it this way. For the purpose of time, I'm going to do it this way. So 20 and 2x are like terms. 20 plus 2 is equal to 22x. Because there is no like term with 6y, I'm going to go ahead and just carry that down. 22x plus 6y. And that is my simplified expression. It is your turn now to do these two on your own. Now we are going to practice using the distributive property to solve multiple step expressions. So if we look here, just like what we were doing before, we have a number outside of a parentheses. The only difference here is there's 2 terms inside the parentheses. If we remember from Unit 1, when we have a number outside of a parentheses, that means we need to multiply by both terms. So if we here, we have 2 times x, which is equal to 2x, and then we have 2 times 1, which is equal to 1, or 2. So 2x plus 2, when we use the distributive property to simplify this expression. If I look here, I have a plain x and a constant, the number 2. These are not considered like terms, so I am done simplifying this expression. I would like you to try the rest of these on your own. You will submit them via Canvas, and then I will correct your work if needed.